Examining Chiwenga's path to power, can Zimbabwe's Iron General seize the throne? Sabina mashoko nyaskunkonzi pangwaine parikonkonzi chaos is mounting in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Vaya vachibvunza kuti General Chiwenga vanozvikwanisa here? What is his way? Aiwa to power. Pangwaine kunoonekwa kunzi munhu wese ari kungoti Chiwenga hoye. Sabina mashoko buda nyuka panguva ino the news of subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina mama buda nyuka mchinzi. In the shadowed corridors of Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party, where loyalty is the currency and betrayal a daily transaction, Vice President ZANU Chiwenga stands as both a apparent and perpetual challenger to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. At 69, the former army commander who orchestrated the 2017 military intervention that ousted Robert Mugabe now eyes the presidency with the precision of a marksman. As Zimbabwe hurtles towards the 2028 elections, or perhaps an earlier rupture, Chiwenga's prospects hinge on leveraging his formidable assets to dismantle the entrenched resistance from mnangagwaZim faction. Yet, this succession battle is no straightforward duel. It's a multi-faceted matrix of military might, party intrigue, economic despair, and a fragmented opposition that could either propel Chiwenga to power or consign him to irrelevance. Let us begin by dissecting how Chiwenga might harness the factors in his favor to overturn the Mnangagwa bulwark. Foremost, is his unassailable command over the military and security sectors, a legacy of his role in the 2017 operations that installed Mnangagwa but left Chiwenga with the real lovers of coercive power, active duty officers and veterans alike revere him as the guardian of the liberation struggle ethos, viewing Mnangagwa as a mere beneficiary of their sweat and blood. To append resistance, Chiwenga could subtly mobilize this loyalty through back-channel alliances, perhaps by amplifying war veterans' grievances against Mnangagwa's alleged kleptocracy. Figures like Blessed Geza have already voiced demands for Mnangagwa's exit, labeling him a corrupt interloper. Chiwenga might escalate this by orchestrating discreet veteran-led protests or resolutions to party gatherings, framing them as organic uprising rather than orchestrated coups. Domashko arikuda panguva ine vanhu vachiuya vachianalyza Chiwenga's way to presidency, kuti Chiwenga vipi kosano Chiwenga vanozvikwanisa here. Panguva ine kunoonekwa kwanzi vipi kosano Chiwenga he is a military leader and panguva ine ane support from our veterans. Mbotoziva mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu mudzi mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.